In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add blur effects to your designs in Figma. Whether you're working on a new app interface or a detailed web design, adding blur effects can really enhance the overall look and depth of your visuals. So, let's dive right into how you can easily achieve this. First things first, you'll want to begin by selecting the image or layer that you intend to apply the blur effect on. This is a crucial step, as the blur will only be applied to the highlighted element. To select a layer, simply click on it directly within your canvas. If you have a complex layout with multiple layers, don't worry. You can also use the Layers panel on the left to navigate your way through the hierarchy and select the correct one. Once you've got your image or layer selected, it's time to move on to the next step. Now direct your attention to the right sidebar of your Figma interface. What you're looking for here is the Effects section. If you've never used the Effects panel before, it's a remarkable tool that allows you to incorporate a variety of visual enhancements to your design elements. Within this panel, you have several options like shadows, blur, and more, but for today's purpose, we'll focus on the blur options. In the Effects section, locate the plus icon. By clicking on it, you'll open up a menu with several effect options at your disposal. Here, you'll be able to choose between layer blur and background blur, and this choice is quite important because it dictates how and to what extent the blur will affect your design. If you choose layer blur, it will only blur the selected layer, giving it a softer appearance. On the other hand, opting for background blur will blur everything behind the layer, creating a frosted glass effect. This can be especially captivating in interfaces where layered transparency can add a visual pop. Choose whichever effect aligns with your design intentions by simply clicking on it. Once you've chosen either the layer blur or background blur, it's time to fine-tune it to perfection. You'll see a blur radius slider appear. This slider controls how intense the blur effect will be. By moving this slider, you can increase or decrease the level of blur applied. Slide it slowly to see how it affects your design's appearance. Take your time experimenting here. The right level of blur can make a huge difference in creating subtlety or impact. You'll want to find the sweet spot where the blur feels just right, enhancing your design without overwhelming it. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you've successfully added a blur effect to your design in Figma. This technique is sure to elevate your projects, adding a layer of sophistication and creativity. Practice and experiment with different settings to see what works best for your specific needs. Thanks for joining today's tutorial, and happy designing!